headed out on a Naturalist at Large program where you are going to be camping in a tent. You're also going to be eating outdoors. What we're going to be doing today's video is showing you what you'll need to pack or a mess kit to use for eating. Additionally, on occasion, if you're at a lodge-based facility, you may need to bring a mess kit for that. So be sure to pay close attention to your packing list. To start, you'll need a plate, a bowl, a cup for hot or cold items, and some reusable cutlery, knife, fork, and spoon. When you think about the material that this is going to be made out of, we want it to be something that is lightweight, such as a light metal, or even a plastic or silicone. Here's an example of some plastics. You have your cutlery, a reusable cup, a bowl, and a plate. Additionally, if you have it, you're more than welcome to bring a Tupperware container. You can use this as a bowl and a plate, or pack a sandwich in it and take it out on trail. You'll also need to have a small mesh bag where you can put all of your items together. You'll close this up and it'll be an easy place for things to dry and stay together. What you want to avoid is things like heavy and bulky items, as well as breakable items and anything that you don't want to have in the outdoors. Once you have it all together, what you're going to want to do is label everything. You'll place your first and last name on all of your dishes to make sure they don't get mixed up with anyone else's. Once you've eaten, you need to wash your dishes. Please feel free to click on over to our dishwashing video. Happy eating out there!